We always have a dead battery on something. It was my mule the other day, my Geo, the tractor. They wanting to go green. I sure dread it. It seems like batteries are always dead around here. I'm trying to get out to the sawmill to drag some dust down. I thought I'd carry you along with me and let you see how we get rid of our sawdust. But it's going to be a few minutes because we've got a dead battery. So let's go pull some sawdust. I'm going to try to leave the blocks and drag them with the tractor. We've had a cigarette thrown down here or a spark from the slab fire or something. I'm gonna have to deal with this now. I think I'm gonna scoop it up and with a shovel and throw it in the slab fire. We got lucky that it didn't get no worse than that. Out here is where we drag the sawdust. This is one of the jobs we have to do here is keep the dust pulled out from under our edges. You can see here what I've pulled out so far, and there's a lot more left. I like to try to get this done early, especially in the summertime before it gets so hot. If you let this build up too much under your edger, it gets hard to move your blades. So you have to keep this cleaned out on a real busy day twice a day. For us, sometimes it really needs to be done 3 times sometimes. We need a dust chain. We're probably gonna get one once we figure out where we're gonna put this. We've moved this thing all around this place. It's gonna have to go back under a shed soon. Here's what we do with it after we get it pulled out. Enough to where the tractor can get a hold of it. He's gonna pull it into this pile here. Well, this was just a little bit of what goes on around the sawmill, how we move our dust. If you liked it, leave it in the comments. I'll do some more videos about what goes on around the mill. And this is Burntchurch. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.